Good morning, friends. Brian here with Trend Motors Volkswagen with a quick clip of the all-new 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Right here in front of you is the SEL. The Taos itself comes in 3 trim levels, S, SE, SEL. You get 2 drivetrain options. You get front-wheel drive or 4-motion all-wheel drive. And that in turn, you get 2 transmissions options. Front-wheel drive gets 8-speed automatic. 4-motion all-wheel drive gets a 7-speed DSG, direct shift gearbox. Comes in a host of fantastic colors. So many standard safety features for the SEL. At least you have the IQ with blind spot monitoring. You have lane departure, adaptive cruise control in that IQ.LIGHT series. Check out the interior. Very cool. This one's got the perforated 2-tone. Again, dual zone automatic climate control, heated seats, digital dash. You have navigation right there. This has the optional power tilt side sunroof and plenty of space in the back. Think of the Taos as just a little larger Golf, especially, unfortunately, for the 2022 model year. Volkswagen is not bringing the Mark 8 Golf in. So, you know, the US market is SUV hungry anyway. So the Taos is gonna just be a perfect alternative for that. 28 cubic feet of space with front wheel drive, 25 cubic feet of space in the back with all-wheel drive. And just check that out. And it drives great. It really does. For the Northeast, obviously, 4Motion is an excellent alternative. You know, go anywhere, get anywhere, do anything. You have all sorts of LEDs, front, rear, daytime running lights, LED taillights, the IQ.LIGHT, very cool. So this has been a quick clip. Hopefully I kept it under 2 minutes here. Again, check us out online, trendmotors.com. Check us out, 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey, at all social media channels, Trend Motors VW. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you soon.